Apple's HEIC saves space until it won't download in iMessage. If your photo is stuck on tap to download and nothing happens, stick around. Inside 60 seconds, we'll show you why it breaks and the 3 quickest ways to get your picture back. Part 1. Why can't I download HEIC photos in iMessage? Old devices can't read HEIC. Weak Wi-Fi kills the download. iOS bugs block the file. Wrong iMessage settings pause the pic. Part 2. How to fix HEIC photos not downloading in iMessages. Fix 1. Disable lockdown mode. Open Settings on your iPhone. Go to Privacy and Security. Scroll down and make sure lockdown mode is turned off. Fix 2. Check the internet connection. Go to Settings, General. Tap Transfer or Reset iPhone Reset. Reset network settings. Enter your passcode to confirm. Restart your device and reconnect to Wi-Fi by entering the Wi-Fi password again. Fix 3. Enable high-efficiency format. To ensure your iPhone saves photos in the high-efficiency image format HEIC, when receiving them through messages, make sure your device supports it. Just go to Settings, Camera Formats, and choose High Efficiency to enable it. Fix 4. Reset iMessage settings. Go to Settings, Messages, Send, and Receive. Tap on your Apple ID, then choose Sign Out. After signing out, sign back in and set up iMessage again. This can help clear up any problems. Fix 5. Update iOS to the latest version. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap on General. Select Software Update and then tap Download and Install if an update is available. Fix 6. Convert HEIC to JPG. If the steps above don't work, the best option is to convert your HEIC images to a more widely supported format like JPEG before sharing them. I recommend using the Mobikin HEIC to JPG converter. How to convert HEIC to JPEG using Mobikin HEIC to JPG converter. Step 1. Start by downloading and installing the software on your computer. Once it's installed, open the program to see the main interface. Step 2. Add your HEIC files by either clicking Add HEIC or dragging and dropping the files directly into the window. Step 3. Choose the HEIC photo you want to convert. Pick your preferred format, JPG, JPEG, or N. You can also decide if you want to keep or remove the EXIF data, and choose where the converted files should be saved. Step 4. Click Convert to start the process. Once it's done, you can find your new photos by clicking Show in Folder.